Conducting research. Learning objectives. Demonstrate the ability to conduct short and sustained research projects by evaluating the credibility of sources, taking notes, and organizing information from a variety of sources. Develop the skill of critically evaluating the scope of their research question and make informed decisions to either narrow or broaden their inquiry appropriately. Demonstrate understanding by organizing their research findings coherently, integrating ideas from various sources, and providing proper citations to acknowledge the original author's work. Why research matters. Research projects are not just about gathering information, they are valuable learning experiences that foster critical thinking and problem-solving skills. As we dive into the research process, we will explore how these projects empower us to think critically. Research projects challenge us to evaluate information critically and distinguish credible sources from unreliable ones. This skill is vital in a world overflowing with information. Ask the right questions. Crafting well-formulated research questions guides our exploration and helps us stay focused on relevant topics that intrigue us. Synthesize multiple sources. By analyzing and integrating information from various sources, we develop a comprehensive understanding of the topic under investigation. Adapt and explore. We will learn to adapt our inquiries when necessary, narrowing or broadening the scope to delve deeper into our subjects of interest. Process of a research project. Research projects are structured processes that enable us to explore and uncover knowledge about a specific topic. Let's take a closer look at the key steps involved in conducting a successful research project. Research process overview. Formulating a research question. A well-crafted research question serves as the foundation of your project. It should be clear, specific, and focused, guiding your investigation towards a meaningful outcome. Conducting background research. Before delving into your main research, conduct preliminary background research. This step helps you gather foundational knowledge about the topic and identify gaps in existing information. Collecting and analyzing data. Gathering data from various sources could include books, articles, interviews, surveys, or online databases. Analyze and examine the collected data to draw meaningful insights. Synthesizing information. Synthesizing means bringing together different pieces of information to create a coherent and comprehensive understanding of your topic. Drawing conclusions and presenting findings. Based on your analysis and synthesis, draw conclusions that address your research question. Finally, present your findings through written reports, presentations, or other creative means. The power of research skills. Learn to analyze information critically and evaluate its credibility. Develop skills to identify and address real-world problems through research. Broaden your understanding of complex issues by exploring multiple perspectives. Enhance your ability to present ideas clearly and persuasively. The power of a research question. A well-formulated research question is like a compass that guides your entire research journey. Let's explore the art of crafting research questions that ignite curiosity and lead to meaningful discoveries. Characteristics of a strong research question. Clarity and specificity. A good research question should be clear and specific, leaving no room for ambiguity. Avoid broad or vague questions that lack focus. Relevance and interest. Choose a question that aligns with your interests and the objectives of your research project. A compelling question motivates and engages you throughout the process. Feasibility. Ensure that your research question is realistic and feasible within the given time and resources. Avoid questions that are too complex to answer effectively. The 5 W's and H approach. Who? Identify the subject or participants of your research. What? Define the main focus or topic of investigation. When? Determine the time frame or period relevant to your research. Where? Specify the location or context of your study. Why? Understand the purpose or significance of your research. Why? Explore the methods and approaches to address your question. Narrowing and broadening the inquiry. Once you have your research question, it's essential to evaluate its scope. Depending on the depth and breadth of your topic, you may need to narrow or broaden your inquiry to achieve the most effective research outcomes. When to narrow your inquiry. If your research question covers too many aspects or lacks specificity, consider narrowing it down. A focused question leads to more in-depth and meaningful findings. Limited resources and time. If your research project has time constraints or limited access to resources, a narrower inquiry allows you to explore a manageable aspect of your topic effectively. Benefits of narrowing your inquiry. In-depth analysis. Focusing on specific details allows for a more comprehensive examination of the chosen topic. Detailed findings. Narrow inquiries often yield more precise and insightful conclusions. Enhanced clarity. A focused question ensures a clearer and more coherent research direction. When to broaden your inquiry. Limited information. If you find that there is limited research or information available on your initial question, consider broadening your inquiry to explore related topics. Interesting connections. If you discover intriguing connections between your research question and other areas, broadening your inquiry might lead to new and exciting insights. Benefits of broadening your inquiry. New perspectives. Exploring related topics allows you to consider different viewpoints and gain a holistic understanding of your subject. Fresh insights. Broadening your inquiry often leads to unexpected discoveries and original ideas. Comprehensive context. A broader perspective provides a well-rounded context for your research findings. Synthesizing multiple sources. As researchers, we have the exciting opportunity to synthesize information from various sources and gain a deeper understanding of our chosen topic. Let's explore the art of synthesizing multiple sources to create a cohesive and well-informed research project. The process of synthesis. Organizing your findings. Begin by organizing the information you've collected from different sources. Create a system, such as note-taking or outlining, to keep track of key points, evidence, and insights. Identifying patterns. Look for patterns, themes, and connections among the information. Identify common threads that link various sources together. Comparing viewpoints. Analyze the differing viewpoints and perspectives presented in the sources. Compare and contrast these viewpoints to gain a comprehensive understanding of your topic. Critical evaluation of sources. As you synthesize information from multiple sources for your research project, it is crucial to engage in critical evaluation to ensure the credibility and reliability of the information you incorporate. Here are essential aspects to consider when evaluating your sources. Credibility and reliability. Assess the credibility and reliability of each source. Be cautious of sources with a lack of transparency or those that present unverified claims. Authority and expertise. Authors with relevant credentials are more likely to provide accurate and insightful information. Check if the authors are affiliated with reputable institutions. Biases and objectivity. Be mindful of biases in the sources you use. Consider the author's perspective and any potential conflicts of interest that may influence their presentation of information. Currency and timeliness. Check the publication date of the source to ensure its currency and relevance. Some topics evolve rapidly, and older sources may not reflect the most current information. Presenting your research. Communicate your findings effectively through various means. Research paper. Write a clear and well-organized research paper that presents your insights and conclusions. Oral presentation. Deliver a compelling oral presentation, highlighting the key points and implications of your research. Visual representations. Use visual aids such as charts, graphs, or infographics to enhance your presentation. Thank you for watching.